How is this even possible?
Wait, what did you guys see?
Torrential rain in parts of the Washington, D.C. area on Saturday led to flash flooding and prompted water rescues in Maryland and Virginia, the authorities said. More than 5 inches of rain fell in some densely populated Washington suburbs like Silver Spring on Saturday. Montgomery County fire crews have reported a water rescue conducted in Takoma Park, where they found a vehicle stuck in floodwaters with the driver on top of the vehicle.
You're okay, you're okay.
Maybe I can't see. Alright, you good?
The driver was safely brought to higher ground. Several major roads in Montgomery, Prince George's, and Anne Arundel counties in Maryland, as well as in Fairfax County in Virginia, were impassable on Saturday evening.
Yeah, I ain't going through this. No.
In northwest Washington, D.C., parked cars were inundated with floodwaters. Emergency crews across Montgomery County rescued dozens of people on Saturday, including from cars stranded in several feet of water. After receiving dozens of calls, said Pete Pieringer, a spokesman for the Montgomery County Fire and Rescue Service. There were no immediate reports of injuries. Flood sensors indicated that Sligo Creek, which runs through Montgomery and Prince George's counties in Maryland and parts of Washington, rose 10 feet in 30 minutes on Saturday evening, Mr. Pieringer said. In Great Falls, Virginia, about 17 miles from Washington, emergency crews rescued 7 people from a car trapped in swift-moving water, according to Fairfax County Fire and Rescue. No injuries were reported in connection to that rescue, the department said. Severe storms had mostly cleared out of the area by 9 p.m., with an isolated shower still expected in some areas. Flood warnings, which are less severe than flash flood warnings, were in effect late Saturday for parts of the region, including southern Montgomery County, northern Fairfax County, and parts of the capital.